tracking payments manually and updating records, so you are wasting time after every single sale. Because every time payment comes in, you open your dashboard, copy details, paste into sheets, repeat again, and if you miss even one entry, then your records are incomplete and your business data becomes unreliable. But what if every payment automatically gets saved in your Google Sheets instantly? Sounds powerful, so this is exactly what I built using Pabbly Connect. By creating a workflow where I have integrated my Razorpay account with Google Sheet. Under the help of this, whenever a payment received in Razorpay, the data captured instantly and automatically sent to Google Sheet. Fully automated, zero manual work. Let me show you how. So I am doing one payment through my Razorpay account by entering test details in each of these fields, that is one test email address, phone number, full name as a smart user, product I am selecting as black t-shirt, one test address and pin code 2. Next I am clicking on this pay button. After that I am doing one test payment. See, this will take few seconds and my payment is successfully completed and I received the receipt too. And you will see immediately a new record is added in the Google Sheet that includes all the leads that I have entered while doing the payment. So this is the exact automation we are going to build today without writing a single line of code, using all-in-one automation tool named as Pabbly Connect. Now without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this workflow step by step. At first, open a new tab and go for pabbly.com/connect. See, Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without writing a single line of code. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to design this type of workflows for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. And not only these, you can integrate multiple applications by using this single tool. Here, after doing the sign-in process, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. See, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. As we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. After that, I am creating a workflow by myself, so I am selecting the option as create from scratch. Next, it will ask me to enter the workflow name that I am entering as every payment auto saved in Google Sheets, no manual work. Here I have given this name by my choice, but you can give it completely based on the automation that you are creating. After the folder, I am selecting as Pabbly Connect. Next, I will click on this create button and see our workflow is created successfully. Now this right here is the most important step of doing any automation, named as trigger. Trigger is the first application you have to select for creating your workflow. So in this tutorial, my objective is that whenever I received a new payment through my Razorpay account, then automatically this automation gets triggered. So for that, I am selecting my trigger application as Razorpay. After selecting the application, the app event I am selecting as payment captured and clicking on this connect button, and you will see it will provide me one webhook URL and the steps mentioned below, that how you can connect your Razorpay account with Pabbly Connect. So now I am going to take you to my Razorpay account. So see, this is the home page of my Razorpay account where you have to go in this payments option. After that, for making a connection between Pabbly Connect and Razorpay, you have to click on this developers option. Next, click on this webhooks option and click on this plus add new webhook. Here in this webhook URL field, you have to paste the webhook URL that are given here. After that, enter one secret key and select the active event as payment captured. As it is mentioned below that you have to select the active event as payment captured. After selecting this, you just have to click on this create webhook and you will see our webhook is saved successfully, and you will see it is waiting for a webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, I am going to do one test payment. So for that, I am clicking on this payment pages button. Here I have already created some pages before. Let's say I want to purchase this t-shirt, so I'm copying its link from here and opening it in a new tab. Now I am again entering the test details in each of these fields, but this time name, I have entered the name as a real user. Now I am again doing the payment by clicking on this pay button, and you will see the payment is successfully completed and I have received a receipt too. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. See, automatically I received a new response that includes all the details that I have entered while doing the payment. This means that the Razorpay account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect and the setup of our trigger application is completed. Moving forward, I am going to take my next application as number formatter. After selecting the application, the app event I am selecting is perform math operation. Next, I am clicking on this connect button. After that, in this number field, I am going to select the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Razorpay. For that, I have entered the slash on the field and you will see the Razorpay is going to be appeared in front of you. Now, in this number field, I am going to do the mapping of the amount. See, here I have mapped. We have made the payment of 500, but here it is showing as 50,000. That's why I am using this number formatter, because Razorpay does not include the decimal in the amount. That's why I have used this number formatter to get the actual value of the product. After that, I'm entering the comma in this field. After that, I'm selecting the operation is divide. Next, I will click on the save and send test request button. Here I selected the operation is divide because I want to divide this amount by 100, and you will see I received the actual amount of the product, that is 500. So this is how number formatter works. You can perform multiple math operation by using this number formatter. Moving forward, I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets because I want that whenever a new payment is captured through my Razorpay account, then all the new leads get stored in my Google Sheet. After that, I'm selecting the app event as add new row. Next, I will click on this connect button and see it will provide me two options, name as add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this option. Here I'm going to make a new connection, so I am clicking on this add new connection. Next, I am clicking on the sign in with Google. After that, the Pabbly Connect is asking me for my permission, so I am permitting it by clicking on this continue button, and you will see this is how easily you can connect your Google Sheet account with Pabbly Connect. Next, I am selecting the spreadsheet as Razorpay payments. See, this is the same sheet, Razorpay payments. As soon as I have selected the spreadsheet here, it will automatically give me all the fields that are present inside this sheet. Now I am going to do the mapping in each of these fields from the previous application. So to do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and you will see your previous application. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic, as different users have different data. So for capturing each user's information dynamically, mapping is used. Here just select the application and choose the response from it. In this full name field, I am going to do the mapping of the user's full name. Here I have mapped. Next, I am doing the mapping of product name. After that, the contact number, email address, home address, pin code, and in this amount field, I am going to do the mapping from this number formatter, means the actual value of the amount. After that, I am clicking on the save and send test request button, and you will see I received the positive response. Now I am going to show you my Google Sheet. See, automatically a new record is added in my Google Sheet. That includes the full name as a real user, product name as black t-shirt, and all the details that I have mapped in each of these fields. And I want you to know that I mapped only some data, but you can map more completely based on your own choice. Here my objective is only to teach you how you can do the automation inside Pabbly Connect, and I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually, you just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. Means whenever a payment is captured through your Razorpay account, a new record will automatically created inside your Google Sheet. As our action step is also working perfectly, this means that our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing automation, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. And not only this, you can integrate multiple multiple applications by using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation tool. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.